following the recent violent incidents in Ishamati and even in Shillong, where 3 labourers were killed in 2 separate incidents. NPP spokesperson H.M. Shangpliang said that these incidents are not related to polls. Stating that the law and order situation in the state is pretty good, Shangpliang added that these incidents are a matter of concern and the government is keeping a close watch on the entire situation. It may be mentioned that 2 labourers were killed in Ishamati last month after an anti-CAA protest, and recently 1 labourer was killed in Maulai Mauro area of Shillong.
Things related to the polls. I think that is a very, very unfortunate incident that has happened, wherein the police are investigating into the case of the tragic murder of 1 labourer, for which we are all very, very concerned about. The law and order in the state is pretty good. The government is keeping a very close watch into the developments on a day-to-day basis. So I think we see that there should not be any violence or any problems or any clashes where the election is concerned.
In a significant gesture